Hi Taurus, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for October. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular month has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is Six of Swords, the Tower card, and the Seven of Swords. Person B here has Six of Cups, Three of Swords, and the Death card. Now we'll also go ahead and see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, what is the blockage in this relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Now bottom of the deck I have Four of Pentacles, which means that either you or your person is currently in a miser energy and you don't want to share your time, money, resources with the other person. Now what I'm seeing here for the first set of cards is you have the Six of Swords, which means that you feel that this relationship has kind of become a burden. The next thing that is going to happen very soon is that the Tower energy is going to hit you, because there is something that was not built on a stable ground. Okay, so the Tower energy hits in when there is something which is faulty, and that's the supreme power's way to go ahead and ensure that it just scrambles everything and ensures that you start again, you start from scratch. Now your third card is the Seven of Swords. It is a deceptive energy, so maybe there is something that you are doing which is a little bit deceptive, and that is why this Tower energy is going to hit this relationship very soon. Now what I see for person B here, they have Six of Cups, which means that this person recollects all the good memories that both of you had in the past. Whenever they are alone, okay, they remember you and they are trying to think, is there a possibility still that they can go ahead and connect with you and maybe revive this relationship again. Now the next card is Three of Swords. So for some of you, if there's a third party situation here that has brought in a lot of hurt, a lot of sorrow to this person. But the next card is the Death card, which means that there's some kind of transformation which is required. Only then this relationship can move back to the good thing that it was, okay, in the past. So you can't go ahead and do something right now until and unless you change this situation. Now let's see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have. So the feeling that both of you have is Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles is a very slow moving energy. This means that both of you are putting in very little effort. It looks like as if you're not putting any effort at all. Okay, let's see what is the blockage here. The blockage is King of Wands. Now King of Wands is a strong magnetic energy, but the only challenge with the King of Wands is it's very strong headed. Okay, if there is something where you disagree with your person, okay, you will still go ahead and do it. You will not take into consideration the other person's feelings. Okay, let's see what is the outcome here. The outcome is Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands is a new beginning that you would want to have with this person. Okay, but it's more inclined towards passion and physical pleasures instead of commitment, emotions. Okay, so for some of you it could just be a little pastime that you want to have with this person. Now let's see what is the intention of this person here. So the first one is Page of Swords, Temperance card, and the Emperor card. Page of Swords is a little bit of an immature energy. This energy means that this person wants to go ahead and talk to you in a kind of an immature manner. The next thing is Temperance, which means balance is required in this relationship. And the third card is the Emperor card, which again indicates that this person would like to lead this particular situation. Now let's see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle card. So the message that I see is communication is the key. So both of you need to communicate in order to go ahead and take care of this relationship and ensure that this thing works for you. You both need to communicate to each other. Now let's also see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Malachite. The crystal message is, what patterns in your life do you keep repeating? Walk the inner labyrinth and find the higher spiritual purpose for your challenges and lessons. Discover and release the patterns that no longer serve you. Look for the emerging patterns of joy, harmony, and inner peace. Move forward in your revolutionary spiral upward. Now, with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Raphael, which I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, please stay safe, love yourself first.